this is Miss Mize with the Academic Center for Excellence along with Coach Ryle. And we are here to give you guys some tips and tricks for your semester exams coming up. So first of all, information about the exams. If you guys don't already know, the exams are comprehensive, meaning they cover the whole semester. You'll have 1.5 hours to take the exam. You can exempt one exam in your 6th grade year or your 9th grade year if you have all A's. You can, in 7th and 10th grade, you can exempt 2, in 11th grade 3, and then in 12th grade it depends on the class. So you guys will find out more about exam exemptions next week. And again, as a senior, it depends on the level of the class. Some more information about the exams. If you have a block-like study hall, you do not need to be at school during that time. There is a 30-minute break between the first testing time and the second testing time. You can find the exam schedule posted online or throughout the school. Lunch is not served except to boarding students during exam week. So 12 p.m. is early release every day during exam week. Also, even if you finish your exam early, you cannot leave the classroom until the designated time is up. And if you're on campus but do not have a test scheduled at that time, you need to be in the library. Also, Ren Web grades will be disabled starting next week until all grades have been posted, which will be Friday, December 15th. And the dress code for the week is Friday dress. If you have any questions about that, come ask one of us. And here are some things to think about before the test. Make sure that you understand what you're studying. Make sure that you read the material out loud. Make sure that you ask your teachers for clarity about the questions that you may have. You can use a Quizlet for an online quiz. You can retake old tests or quizzes. And videos. There's a really good website called Crash Course where you can search for online videos relevant to your subject. Couple more quick things about before the test. Make sure that you don't start studying on the day of the test. Also, make sure that you use apps like Offline or Freedom to limit your social media distractions while you're studying. Prepare a study timetable now. You can come see me, Coach Ryle, for help with that. Make sure you take a break very often. It refreshes your brain. Make sure that you do your review that your teacher gives you, and make sure you ask questions. Last tip for today. Ask your instructor for the format of the test questions. Is it going to be multiple choice or essay or fill in the blank or a combination of both? Ask your instructor what areas or concepts are going to be highlighted on the test. Go over material from your old tests or quizzes and highlight the concepts you may have struggled with. Then go back and pay special attention to them while you're studying. On our next feature film, we will talk to you about memory techniques. So if you have any questions, come visit Coach Ryle or Miss Mize in the Academic Center for Excellence.